Drones, large and small, cheap or expensive, are becoming the weapon of choice for many military forces because of their versatility. It's well documented that drones are playing a key role in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. They're being used both for recon as well as attack missions. The U.S. military has taken this aspect into account and is working with industry partners to acquire a wide range of drones. Anduril Industries has announced that the ALTIUS-700M loitering munition recently underwent testing at Dugway Proving Grounds in Utah, demonstrating impeccable system efficiency and executing precise strikes on diverse targets. The ALTIUS series loitering munition can accomplish a range of missions. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes what can ALTIUS-700M do for the U.S. military. Let's get into the details. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Anduril's ALTIUS is a versatile family of modular, multi-platform, air-launched effects (ALEs) designed for various missions and deployable by air, ground, or maritime forces. ALE is a family of systems (FOS) consisting of an air vehicle, payloads, mission system applications, and associated support equipment designed to autonomously or semi-autonomously deliver effects as a single agent or as a member of a team. Viewers may note that Anduril has invested more than $60 million in a new 180,000 square foot production facility in Atlanta, Georgia, to scale up the manufacturing of ALTIUS. Over the past 6 years, Anduril has already designed, manufactured, and delivered hundreds of ALTIUS variants to U.S. government customers. The ALTIUS-700M builds on the ALTIUS-600, offering greater payload capacity and higher endurance. It can be configured for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting (ISR&T), communications relay, cyber warfare, and kinetic strike missions. ALTIUS-700M can be launched from ground and utility vehicles, watercraft, and fixed or rotor wing aircraft in both high and low altitudes. Its overall arrangement is essentially the tube-shaped fuselage housing power supply, engine, payload, and optic set, with straight monoplane main planes and downward canted tail fins. The engine turns a two-bladed propeller unit at the rear of the fuselage in a pusher fashion. The aircraft can be launched via Common Launch Tube (CLT) or Pneumatically Integrated Launch System (PILS), giving it considerable tactical flexibility. It carries more payload than the 600 and has an endurance of around 4 hours, depending on payloads, which is customizable and includes ISR, CUAS, electronic warfare, munitions, and signals intelligence. ALTIUS-700M has a range of 100 miles or 160 kilometers. It has a payload capacity of 15 kilograms or 33 pounds, so it's capable of delivering devastating blows to armored targets and infrastructure. ALTIUS-700M's open hardware and software architecture allows for seamless integration with various payloads and mission software suites, providing operators with decisive control over mission execution. It possesses autonomous teaming capabilities, enabling individual unmanned systems to collaborate and exchange data, thereby accomplishing mission objectives that would be unattainable by a single unit alone. So a swarming pack is possible with this munition. ALTIUS-700M is one of the most lethal tactical loitering munitions available today. A swarm of ALTIUS-700M deployed with different payloads, some with electronic warfare modules and some with warheads, will be suitable for penetrating highly protected targets. Even if most are intercepted during a strike, some will get through and knock out enemy assets like air defense systems and artillery. ALTIUS-700M's range makes it ideal for this kind of mission. ALTIUS-700M introduces a crucial capability to the Army through enhanced collaboration between manned and unmanned systems, enabling the detection, identification, location, and reporting of significant threats in challenging environments. It fits right into the overall plan since air-launched effects, ALEs, are a critical component of the Army's vision for future attack reconnaissance aircraft, FARA, and future long-range assault aircraft, FLRAA, enabling a variety of ISR, CUAS, electronic warfare, and other capabilities in contested or denied environments.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.